dear student. In my last video, we have discussed seed and fruit development and dormancy of seed. Today, we will discuss apomixis, types of apomixis based on occurrence, and second part we see that's parthenocarpy. So, let's begin. First one, apomixis. Apomixis derived from two Greek word. Apomixis derived from two Greek word. Apo, it says as the away, and mix, it says as a act of mixing. It is process of formation of embryo through a sexual method of reproduction, where there is no fusion and no formation of gametes and act as a fertilization. If there is no formation of gamete, no fusion of gamete during the fertilization. As apomixis is a type of reproduction in which sexual organ of related structure take part, but seed are not formed without union of gametes. The first discovery of this phenomena is credited to Leeuwenhoek as early as in 1790 in citrus seed. Alternatively, it is unusual sexual reproduction where there is no meiosis, means there is no reductional division, or there is no syngamy, that is the fusion of male and female gamete. This apomixis, as embryo develops in the ovule and ovule develops to form seed. In apomixis, when a gametophyte organ or cell produced embryo-like structure. In apomixis, when gametophyte organ or cell produced embryo-like structure without fertilization, then that condition it says as apogamy. Apo, it stands as without, gamy, it stands as a gamete, without fusion of gamete. When diploid sporophytic cell produced a diploid gametophyte without undergoing meiosis is called as the apospory. Its example, it's a orange, and the second one it's mango. On the basis of occurrence, there are three types. First one, it's a non-recurrent apomixis. Second one, it's a recurrent apomixis, and the third one, it's a adventive embryony. The first point we see, that's a non-recurrent apomixis. What's that? Embryo develops. What's a form? There is a formation of embryo. यहाँ पे embryo form होता है, लेकिन ये कैसे form होता है? Embryo develop from any cell of embryo sac. But which cell? This cell, it may as a haploid cell. It's of the two way. First one is haploid parthenogenesis. Embryo develops from egg cell only. Haploid apogamy, it's also known as the pseudogamy. Embryo develop from synergids, or it develop from antipodal cell which is towards the chaliceal side. The plant produced by this method are generally sterile, means a non-functional. They do not reproduce sexually. Example, it's Nicotiana. Second type, it's a recurrent apomixis. Embryo develop without meiosis from diploid cell. Without meiosis from diploid cell. यहाँ पे diploid cell से बनता है embryo. It's a two-way. First one, it's a diplospory. Embryo sac develop from megaspore. Embryo sac develop from megaspore mother cell. Megaspore mother cell. Its example, it's a Taraxacum. Second one, it's a apospory. Apo it stands as without. Embryo sac develop from any vegetative cell. This vegetative cell, it's a nucellar cell. It's a nucellar cell of ovule. The embryo develop from a diploid egg cell. Embryo कहाँ से बनता है? तो diploid egg cell से बनता है. The third one, it's a adventitious embryos. It's also known as the sporophytic budding. Embryo directly develop from nucellus. यहाँ पे जो embryo बनता है वो कहाँ से बनता है? nucellus से बनता है. Embryo develop from nucellus or a develop from integument. यहाँ पे जो embryo बनता है वो कहाँ से बनता है? तो वो बनता है nucellus और integument से. No production of embryo sac. It's an example. It's mango, orange, lemon. It gives rise to a condition called polyembryony. The next one we see, that's parthenocarpy. Next one is parthenocarpy. This parthenocarpy, this term is coined by the Knoll. It is the condition in which fruit is developed without process of fertilization. Fruit without fertilization से वहाँ पे फॉर्म होता है fruit. The fruit is developed. यहाँ पे कौन सा word important है? The fruit is developed without the process of fertilization. It occurs naturally in some varieties like pineapple, banana, papaya. In this plant, it seems that the placental tissue in the unfertilized ovary produces auxin. That's indole acetic acid, which is responsible for the enlargement of ovary into fruit. The fruit resembles the normally produced fruit. यहाँ पे जो fruit बनेगा वो पूरी तरह से normal fruit जैसे ही दिखेगा. But what's the specific characteristic? लेकिन यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा important कौन सा characteristic है? It is the seedless fruit. ये fruit बनेगा लेकिन इसके अंदर क्या नहीं होगा? इसके अंदर seed नहीं होगा. ये seedless fruit होगा. क्यों ये seedless होगा? आपको ध्यान में आया होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे कौन सी प्रोसेस जो नहीं हुई है वो है विदाउट प्रोसेस ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन. यहाँ पे मेल और फीमेल गैमेट का फर्टिलाइजेशन फ्यूजन होने के बाद ज़ाइगोट नहीं फॉर्म हुआ है, फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं हुई है, इसकी वजह से इसके अंदर सीड नहीं फॉर्म हुई है. द सीड, द फ्रूट resembles the normal fruit like a structure, but this fruit it's a seedless fruit. Okay, here we completed apomixis, 3 type of apomixis based on occurrence. That's non-recurrent apomixis, recurrent apomixis, adventitia embryoni, and the parthenocarpy. Thanks for watching my video. In my next video, we see polyembryony. Thank you.